नीड्स एंड वांट्स। दोस्तों, ये वर्ड्स हम यूज करते हैं अपनी अपनी आवश्यकताओं, जरूरतों और इच्छाओं के बताने के लिए। नीड इज समथिंग without which we cannot live and wants are our desires. अब कौन सा वर्ड कब यूज करना है डिपेंड करता है बोलने वाले पे, क्योंकि एक चीज किसी के लिए नीड है तो किसी के लिए वांट।
Welcome to RPN and it's time to learn with RPN. Let's think and speak English.
For example, इसी can be need for a person who cannot live without it in summer. Same time, it can be want for other person where reputation in society matters. First of all, let's understand needs. दोस्तों, अगर हमें किसी को भी बताना हो कि किसी एक्शन की जरूरत है, जैसे पढ़ने की जरूरत है, please use the structure need to action. So say here need to study. और अगर हमें किसी को भी बताना हो कि किसी एक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है, जैसे चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है, please use the structure no need to action. So say here no need to worry. Here are some examples. वहां जाने की जरूरत है, need to go there. रोने की जरूरत नहीं है, no need to cry. शोर करने की जरूरत नहीं है, no need to make noise. चुपचाप बैठने की जरूरत नहीं है. Here is an action, चुपचाप बैठना. It means sit idle. So say here, no need to sit idle. Now, we will connect needs to all the subjects. As needs are related to our work routines, we are going to use do, does, did, and will with subjects in same manner as we used in the chapter 25. Please go through that chapter if you have not watched yet. Guys, here is a shopkeeper who is asking a girl about her need. आपको क्या चाहिए? He is asking here, what do you need? Here, girl is asking, मुझे पेन की जरूरत है. So, she is saying, I need a pen. Now, shopkeeper is asking one more need by question. क्या आपको बॉल पेन चाहिए? He is asking, do you need ball pen? Girl is denying here, मुझे बॉल पेन की जरूरत नहीं. She is saying here, I don't need ball pen, I need gel pen. दोस्तों, need can be for something. For example, girl needs pen and shopkeeper needs money. Here, need can be for somebody. For example, girl needs shopkeeper. Need can be action also. For example, here shopkeeper needs to sell things and girl needs to buy pen. Let's take another example. Here is a person. Guys, can you tell me what does he need? क्या उसे बर्तनों की जरूरत है? I mean, does he need utensils? No, उसे बर्तनों की जरूरत नहीं है. I mean, he does not need utensils. I'm telling his need. He needs something. For example, he needs food. He needs somebody. For example, he needs a person who can give food. He needs an action also. For example, he needs to eat something. Let's take one more example. Here is a girl. Can you tell me what does she need? Okay, no problem. I'm telling. As she is patient, she needs doctor. She needs treatment. And she needs to walk on her feet. Let's take some more examples. क्या आपको मोबाइल की जरूरत है? Do you need mobile? मुझे दवाई लेने की जरूरत है. I need to take medicine. मुझे तुम्हारी जरूरत नहीं है. I don't need you. क्या हमें यहाँ रुकने की जरूरत है? Do we need to stay here? उनको लड़ने की जरूरत नहीं थी. They did not need to fight. तुमको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. You do not need to speak. क्या मुझे तुम्हारे साथ चलने की जरूरत है? Do I need to go with you? उसे किसी परिचय की जरूरत नहीं है. He does not need any introduction. क्या उनको घर की जरूरत है? Do they need house? Let's use some daily use sentences. अगर आपको किसी को कहना है मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, Please say I need nothing. जब कोई दुखी होता है तो हम अक्सर कहते हैं दुखी होने की जरूरत नहीं है. Please say here no need to feel sad. कई बार हम ये भी कहते हैं कि अब खुश होने का समय है. Say here it's time to feel happy. Let's go to the next section. Guys, here is a person ganja. It means bald. For example, गंजे को कंघी की जरूरत नहीं है. Bald does not need a comb. गंजे को बालों की जरूरत है. Bald needs hair. Let's go to the next section. दोस्तों, आपने कई बार किसी मीटिंग में देखा होगा कि बात करते करते एकदम सब चुप हो जाते हैं और शांति छा जाती है. अचानक कोई एक बोलता है, इसे बोलते हैं चुप्पी तोड़ना. The idiom for the day is break the ice. Once I was in a meeting, then someone asked such a question that nobody had answer. There was silence for some time. Then I thought I need to break the ice and I started to answer. Let's go to the next section for practice. Please pause the video and speak these Hindi lines in English. Thank you guys. Have a nice time.